Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking down my braids as well as washing my hair for the first time in almost a month. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so I have my knotless box braids, and I didn't do a tutorial because my mom did them for me, and I absolutely love them. I love braids. I think they're a great protective style. So I had them for about 3 weeks now, and I'm gonna take them out of my head. And we used about 7 packs of the Connect Along hair in the color 27. So I really like the color as well. I usually just get like dark, but I got this blondish color and I really loved it. So to take them out, super easy. I'm just going to be trimming off the ends and then taking it down. And as you can see, like, my natural hair is mixed up into the braids, so I want to make sure that I'm not cutting my natural hair. So I have to make sure I look closely at the braids and cut the hair that is not mine. So after I cut the ends, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down like so. It's pretty easy to take down since it is knotless. And I'm glad that I got knotless box braids this time because I think it's a lot less damaging than using the rubber band method. And to maintain my braids, I just would rub a little bit of my hair growth oil, the Miriam Hampton hair growth oil, into my scalp every night. And I would just lay down my edges with some type of edge control or something. And I never use any type of dry shampoo or anything on my hair. So I'm super excited to finally be able to wash my hair. Going this long without washing my hair is not something I am used to, so I'm really excited about wash day today. So this is 7 packs of hair. It looks like a lot, and it really didn't feel like that much hair on my head at all. It was super comfortable. The braids weren't heavy at all, and I definitely recommend knotless box braids. So this is how my hair looked after all the braids are out of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower and begin to wash my hair. So I'm going to be using this Suave clarifying shampoo to wash my hair today. And I really like this shampoo because it does a great job at clarifying my hair and getting any type of dandruff or buildup out of my hair. And this is definitely necessary since I haven't washed my hair in almost a month. I like to use a lot of this shampoo, and I make sure that I really get my roots and my scalp of my hair and massage that into my scalp thoroughly. Moving on to this Lush hair treatment called Roots. I really like this hair treatment. It does a great job at refreshing my scalp. And this is one of my OG favorites. So I like to put this all over my roots and my scalp. And I will leave that on for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to rinse all of that out of my hair, and I'm going to move on to conditioning and detangling. I'm using this conditioner by Suave, and if you guys have never heard of this brand, they have amazing products. I think I did my last wash day routine featuring their products, so I will link that video down below in the description box as well as on the screen so you can check it out. But I really love this conditioner because it does a great job at helping me detangle my hair. So I like to use a lot of this conditioner, and I'll put it in each section, and then I'll go ahead and use my Denman brush to detangle my hair. When detangling my hair, I like to detangle my hair starting at the ends, working my way up to the roots. And of course, I detangle my hair in sections, and I will split them up into 4. Once I am thoroughly done detangling my hair, I will rinse all of that product out, and I am done. That's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.